Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a power bank from RAVPower. This is their USB-C 26,800 milliamp hour variant, I guess you could say, and it's got some cool things about it, some things that aren't really that cool, and I just kind of want to let you guys be aware of. There's not too much on the box, so we'll just climb right inside. Get a user guide, tells you everything about it in 7 or 8 different languages, a review packet thing, and a quick user guide. If the standard user guide is too slow for you, you have a quick user guide. Inside we get a USB-C cable. Let me unwind this and I'll tell you how long it is. Looks to be about 1 meter, 3 feet 3 inches. Black RAVPower branded USB Type-C cable. You get 2 micro USB cables. They're not super long, but they should get the job done if you're just plugging things in and throwing them on top of it. And then you get this nicely mesh padded bag to carry it around in. Love it when anything includes a carrying pouch or a carrying box or whatever. And then here's the battery itself. It's got a matte finish on it. RAVPower branding here. You have your power button here. And you've got some LED indicators to tell you your battery percentage. On the back you get some information on the battery. And then on the top is where it gets kind of interesting. You have 2 USB-A ports for normal charging. You have a USB Type-C port, which is in and out, so you can charge devices from this port and you can charge with this port. And then you have a micro USB input, which is specifically for charging. So you can charge this battery with these 2 ports in tandem, and it will speed up your charge time significantly. And that's my first gripe with this battery. Let me just clear this up a little bit. I haven't used this. This is fresh out of the box, and it says on the Amazon page right here, I'm reading it word for word, the only USB PD portable charger up to 30 watts. Recharge the 26,800 milliamp hour battery through the Type-C port in just 4 to 5 hours compared to the standard 14 hours. That is absolutely abysmal. 14 hours to charge a okay, let me, real quick, let me just reach into my bag over here. This is a 30,000 milliamp hour battery, and this charges in less than 14 hours. I'll completely kill this 0% charge, and I'll plug it in overnight, and it will go 0 to 100 before I wake up. In less than 12 hours, this will charge 0 to 100. This, if you're just using the micro USB input, it's going to take you 14 hours to charge. That is horrible. So you're going to want to use one of these and one of these to charge this battery. So let me just, come back from my disgust real quick, and we'll show you how the battery works. So I'm going to plug in a USB Type-C cable, and just because it's what I have right here, I'm going to plug in my Taurus X6L Pro, and if this was not at 100%, this would charge. See, it's charging, and I think the Taurus is charging this, actually, because this is flashing and this is not. Interesting. So you can kind of level out power between 2 different power banks with this. That's kind of cool, actually. And then you throw this off to the side, grab one of these flat cables, plug that in, and it charges normally. You can charge, I believe, 3 devices at the same time. So let me grab something over here. What to charge? Charge the speaker. So I'm going to charge my Hydrobeat illumination. Plug in my cable real quick. Wrong side. Wrong side as well. God, I hate USB Type-A. Plug that in. That's charging. That would be charging. And we'll grab the USB-C cable, plug that in, and I'll plug in my MacBook off the screen here. And that starts charging. So I'm charging 3 different devices all at once, and this is 26,800 milliamp hours of power. So this comes in right under where it's kind of not legal to carry batteries on planes. So if you're carrying this on a plane, you should be fine. If you're carrying this, then you're gonna have some issues, I guess. I don't know. I haven't flown. I don't know how it works. It's $80 on Amazon. That's kind of sort of really expensive, considering, again, that a power bank that has more capacity is $20 cheaper. I'm not getting paid by iMuto to trash this battery. I'm just using my brain a little bit here. But again, you can't take the iMuto on a plane. It's also from RAVPower, and they're kind of up there with Anker and Aki. They're kind of like the power trifecta. So I would assume they have really good customer service if you have any issues with this, or their warranty is going to be great. I think every power bank comes with a 2-year warranty, so it seems pricey to the average Joe, but I'm sure it has its advantages over most other power banks. Now, this is just an unboxing. This just came in today, so I haven't really had time to play around with this. So I'll leave this linked down in the description below. I'll link RAVPower's website and social medias as well if you want to check them out there. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.